Bitcoin's breaking down, Red Dog. You can't say Bitcoin's breaking down. Come on. It's just taking a break. It's not going really, really fast, but ultimately it's been a great trade. So here's Bitcoin. It hit 69.4, which was a little bit below this range. Okay, came from 52 and 57 and 60. This isn't the end of the world. Okay, you could even see the 8-day and still be just fine. It's just taking its time. It's been taking its time for 8 months. You look at the weekly chart and it's like, okay, it's been just hanging here. So if you look here at the weekly chart, all it's doing is testing this area. You wouldn't really want to see it give back much more than this because then it becomes more of a chop fest. But ultimately, it's been doing really well. And my guys, that's why it's good to be ahead of the curve a little bit, because you guys, the dog pound, been in a lot of these things starting from here. This is when I started to be in the IBIT. That's when I bought Mara calls. I was in Coors well before that. We were talking about Bill Wolf well before filing came out with Druckenmiller. And anyway, so I would say even if it came to here, it's not the biggest deal. But I really wouldn't want to see it go much below here. Then all of a sudden, some of the momentum leaves. To me, look at this Coors. This has been absolutely fantastic. We've been in this pretty much. Remember the open house that I had for the Alpha team? That's when we started buying this around 1040, and it still looks good. Look at that nice candle. You could have bought a dip here, and then boom. I still think this looks really good. The Wolf. Everyone's like, well, the Wolf's down a little bit today. Okay, well, good. Buy more. Look at this move. I was buying. First, I started buying it here, and then I had to suffer, and then look at that move. So this has been awesome. Okay, you go to the weekly chart, and you can see what's really exciting here. Bitcoin gets going. You're going to see $9 probably in the Wolf. Mara is definitely not an easy thing to trade. You have to just buy on down days. I've been rolling Mara. Mara itself looks pretty good here. I started buying it here. Okay, I started buying, the 1850s or whatever it was, and then into this move, I sold some and then I rolled it up, and it still looks good. It just needs Bitcoin to kind of get in the mix. Anyway, so we'll see what happens here. Obviously, Mr. is the biggest name out there, and this is looking really good. I remember we were buying Mr. I was buying the 210s here for like $9, and then I sold them all the way up to 20, and then now here I'm rolling into the 240s a few weeks out because if Bitcoin goes, that's going to go. So that's what I'm doing. So that's it for crypto. I'm not a crypto guy, but crypto's in play, so Red Dog does it.
Sign up for Scott's free newsletter by scanning a QR code or clicking on the link in the profile bio.